Here we have our mirror. On the outside of the mirror there will be a little cover which we will remove with a small flathead screwdriver. This mirror is probably one of the easiest mirrors to replace, and anyone can do this at home. So we'll first remove the cover, and behind the cover there will be the plug for the electric mirrors. Remove the plug and we have 3 bolts that are number 5 Allen key style, and we will go ahead and remove all 3 of the bolts. Once these bolts are off, the mirror is detached from the door and there isn't anything else left to do. So if you do want to do this at home, I think it's very easy. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe if you want to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.